Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this series of lecture we have already started the theory subject of data signals and system, which is the subject of third semester engineering students for electronics and communication branch, and also for the student of computer science and information technology branch. In the present video we will cover first experiment of data system design, and in the first experiment is about the logic gates. Students, I have already told you about the logic gates in my theory lectures. So in this first experiment we will perform the functions of the logic gates, and also we will verify their truth table. So I have already told you the truth table of AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate and XOR gate. I have told you that AND, OR and NOT gate are the basic logic gates, and the NAND gate and the NOR gate are the universal logic gates, and the XOR gate is the special logic gates. So here today we will perform the experiment for all the 5 logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and NOT gate. We know already that for NOT gate, whatever input you will give, you will get the opposite output. Okay, so today first of all I would like to tell you the logic gates truth table. So as you can see in the screen, this is the truth table of all the 5 logic gates, and for the NOT gate we will be having, if the input is 0 then we will have the output as 1, and if the output is 1 we will have the if the input is 1 we will have the output as 0. Okay, so this is the truth table for a NOT gate. Now I will tell you the logic diagrams or the symbols of all the logic gates. So in the screen as you can see the symbols of all the logic gates. These symbols we already know, but in the kit when we will study we'll have to recognize the logic gates. So please memorize these logic gate symbols, because in the kit we will have the similar symbols. So let's start with the kit. So students, as you can see the kit in the screen, this is the kit which we will be using for the experimenting the logic gates to verify the truth tables of all the logic gates. So as you can see in the screen, there are 6 logic gates. First is the AND gate, second is the OR gate, third is the XOR gate, then we have NAND gate, NOR gate and NOT gate. So in the left hand side you can see the logic inputs. These are the 3 inputs which we will be giving in the logic gates as an input, and in the right hand side at the bottom you can see the output indicator. So we will place the output pin, we will put the output, connect the output pin from the AND gate or OR gates output to this output indicator, and if the output is 1 then the indicator will light, that the LED light will be on, and if the output is 0 then the LED light will be off only. Okay, so as you can see the kit in this way we will be performing for all the 6 gates, and I have already told you about the truth table. So we will verify all the truth table. Okay, so as you can see in the screen that this is our logic gate screen, and we will be using this. So as I have already told you, this is the main switch, we have to put it on, and the main switch light is on, we will be shown by the LED light. And this is the AND gate, this is the XOR gate, the AND gate output, the OR gate output we will be giving in the output indicator. Okay, so these are the gates, and if we want to make it NAND gate we can also use it, we can also make it by using the NOT gate. Okay, and NAND gate and NOR gate is also there. So and this is the XOR gate, which I have already told you that this is a special kind of gate. Okay, so this comes in the special gate. So let's start the experiment. First of all we will do the connections. So we will be requiring the connecting cords. So this is the input, we will connect the input from the input of the gates. Okay, so we have already connected the connecting rods, and we are giving it in the input of OR gate. Okay, then the output of the OR gate will be connected to the output indicator. Okay, so here we have given it. After this we will put the button on. So as the input was 1, it was showing 1, but we will first of all we will give them 0, both the inputs are 0. Then when we do one input as 1, then the indicator is on. As you can see, it means when 1 0 the indicator is on, and when 0 and 1 then also indicator is on. So as we know that in the OR gate, when one of the input is 1 or even any one of the input is 1, then the output is also 1. So as we can see that now both the inputs are 1. So as we can see now both the inputs are 1, the output is also 1. So in this way we can check the logic gates operations and the truth table. So we have already seen the truth table and we have already verified the truth table of the OR gate. Similarly, we will verify the truth table of AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and NOT gate with the similar process. Okay, so that's all for now. Then we will come with the next experiment.